Hey, so I have the Dap DryDex Spackling, and I'm just going to show how I apply it. This is the one that goes on paint, dries white. No priming required and won't shrink or crack. Do I have to say that I am not a professional? But I just kind of wanted to show it's super easy. If I can do it, literally anybody can do it. So you can see that it's pink. You know, I kind of just mixed it around just really quickly. And you really don't need a lot at all. And look, there's just literally such a minor little hole. You just need a dab. Obviously had way too much. So look, just a dab. Do it over again. And look at that. And it will dry white. It literally only takes, I don't know, I want to say 10 minutes to start drying. So that's what I do. Look how easy it was. Like I said, if I can do it, anybody can do it. And I'm going to time it, and I will show you how long, or let you know how long it takes before it completely dries. Okay, this is 10 minutes in, and you can see that it is really starting to dry. It really doesn't take that long. All right, guys, I got busy, but about an hour later, look, it's completely dry. So look how easy that was.